were chenro mag Bero Lwasi alwora mag dhowedhe kaachiel kod nam kane giloso Mombasa jokanya riwruog pinjego koni dwaro mwandu mathoth mayudre e nam pok ofweny nimar pok oket chenro makare mag golo mwandugo. Gikone pinje Afrika nyaka koro wuog oko matiyo gi lony manyasani kaachiel kod tiego jopiny e ber mar mwandu makamago. Kabende gilero ni giikore mar chiwo sir mowinjore. Romono mano okelo kanyakla jokanyo mawuok e pinje mopogore opogore Afrika bende geto chiwo paro mageto Bero Lwasi mane alwora mag nam kod dhowedhe to chutho kaluwore gi wach lokruok chal kod lwasi.
Ecosystems are quite a number, as you say. Now, wakati tunapoongelea aquatic ecosystems, we are not just referring to the marine ecosystems. Kuna pia inland ecosystems, kuna rivers, freshwater ecosystems, kuna rivers, kuna lakes, na hayo mengineo, all other river, all other water bodies that are inland. So, wakati tunapoongelea ama provide your support, tunaangalia pia freshwater ecosystems as much as we are looking at marine ecosystems. Pia kuna hiyo consideration to support freshwater ecosystems.
Women have always been involved. They've always played a role. But being women in Africa, you always look down upon and said they'll just do the packaging, but they actually want to be involved in the mainstream aquatic biodiversity. So women are involved. They just need the empowerment, and hence the proposal for skills upliftment and them being afforded equal opportunities as the men within the sector. The biggest one in South Africa is also youth involvement. A lot of youths are not very aware of the livelihoods that they can make out of aquatic biodiversity conservation.
I'm Lindy Ajagi, a teacher by profession from Oranga. I've been praying Shabiki for quite some time. I'm happy to win. I thank God. I started